Another Leetcode problem. 347 top k frequent elements. So for this example, we are giving an array of nums and an integer k. So we're going to return the k most frequent elements. So we may return the answer in any order. So the first method is going to be a heap. So we're going to prepare a counter. So we're going to use the counter of nums. Basically, we're going to have a k value pair. Because we are going to calculate the k most frequent elements, top k frequent elements, basically we just need to get the number and get the values like 1 and 2. So basically we are preparing such kind of a dictionary. So for the k equal to 1 and the value is going to be 3. So it means for the number of 1 we have 3, and what about the 2? It's going to have 2. And for this number 3, so the number of 3 is going to become 1. And then we're going to put such numbers 3, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 3 inside a tuple, and then we put it inside a heap. And then we're going to use this heap to solve the problem. As we are going to calculate the top k frequent elements, so basically it means we're going to put the negative 3 inside it, because in Python there's only min heap. So for the negative 3, and we're going to have a 1, and another one is going to be negative 2, so we're going to have a 2, and the last one is going to be the negative 1, so we have a 3. So this is our heap. Now we just need to pop it out, and if k equal to 2, it means we need to pop out 2 steps. So the first step is that we're going to pop out negative 3 and 1, and we're going to put 1 inside our final array. So the second pop out is going to be this negative 2 with 2, and basically we just need to have the numbers instead of the value pair. So we just need to have the k, so we're going to put the 2 inside our final result. So the final result is going to be 1 and 2. Now let's just use this heap idea to solve the problem. So I'm going to prepare an empty heap, and then I'm going to check the k value. As we are giving a k, so this means for avoid the duplicate, I'm going to use a k1. So for k1, v1 in counter with nums.items. So inside the items, basically we have the k value pair, and we can directly put it inside the queue. So we can use heap push method with priority queue, and inside it's going to be negative of v1. Basically it means how many numbers, and then we're going to have this k1. Because according to the heap, definitely it is sorted according to the first number inside the tuple. So that is why we're going to use a negative of v1, because it is min heap in Python, so we have to prepare a negative. Now we just need to prepare the final result. So for anything in range of k, and we just need to pop it out. So we just use v maybe, and let me just use maybe v2 and k2, it doesn't matter. So it's going to be a heap pop, and our result gonna append this k2, and finally we need to return the result. So we just pop out the value and k pair, and we're gonna put it inside the result array, and it's gonna be okay. We needed to put the priority queue inside heap queue. We're gonna put the heap array inside. Basically it's gonna be okay. Now let me just run it. So as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. So the time complexity is gonna be k log n instead of n log n. So this is better, because if you are using the sort, it's gonna be n log n. But now we are using the heap. Basically it's gonna be k log n time. So maybe this is I think this is the best method to solve such kind of problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.